For sellers, Step 1. Open AutoVob.com or download our app from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Choose your country. Step 3. Sign up using Facebook ID, Google ID, or email. You can also sign up after your ad posting is complete, after agreeing to our terms and conditions, privacy policy, and safety tips. During signing up, you should provide your contact details like your phone number and email. If your contact number has WhatsApp, kindly click on this box. You can also provide the links to your social media pages for the buyers to know more about you if you want. Step 4. Click on the Post Your Ad button. Step 5. Choose your item category. Step 6. Add a catchy title for your item and provide item details and specifications. Step 7. Include additional information and enter your item's location. Step 8. Upload high-resolution images of your item and write a brief item description. Step 9. Set your item's price. You can also use Contact for Price option for watercraft and aircraft category. Step 10. Review your ad and submit. Your ad will be reviewed by us and posted on AutoVob for free and for unlimited time. Don't forget to mark your ad as sold once you find the right buyer.